Okay, children, not children, you are a student, because now I'm going to tell about the repeated map question in the CBSE 12th standard. Okay, so in a CBSE 12th standards, I'm going to tell about the repeated mapping question. So the first question is, to which state did Ladenga belong? So which state, which state that Ladenga is belong? It's in the Mizoram. Okay, it's in the Mizoram. Here the Mizoram, can you able to see that Mizoram? Okay, so Mizoram. So this is the in that Mizoram, the Ladenga state is belong. Okay, so next is, which state integrated with the India in 1975 as the 22nd state? So in a which in 1975, which state joined as a 22nd state? Is a Sikkim. You will find it out a Sikkim here. It's a down Tibet. Okay, it's a down Tibet at the end of the Nepal. You see it here, Tibet. Sikkim. So, okay, this is a Sikkim. So this is a 22nd state which is joined in the year 1975. And the next question, name the state where a violent incident took place in the 2002 at Godara. So you know that in 2002 a violent means the huge earthquake which occurs in Gujarat. So okay, this is a Gujarat. Okay, so next one, name the state which has a maximum number of seats in India in its legislative assembly. So in a legislative assembly, which state have the lot of seats means it's a Uttar Pradesh. So Uttar Pradesh, it's a state having a lot of seats in a legislative assembly. And the next question, which state was earlier known as Madras? You know that, isn't it? In a which state? They are asking not a name, which state? In Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu only. In earlier Chennai name is a Madras. Okay. So let's move to the next question. The next set of question asked in the 12th CBSE India map. The first question, the state that resisted its merger with the Union of India. It's a Manipur. The Manipur is a lies here. See here, it's a Manipur. Okay, that is the state that resisted its merger with the Union of India. It's a Manipur. Next question, the state which was carved out of Assam in 1972. So which state is gone out from the Assam 1972? It's a Meghalaya. So Meghalaya, it's a came out from the, so see here Meghalaya, you will find it out here. So Meghalaya, it's a place which is came out from the Assam. Okay. So next question, the state where the Communist Party of India formed its government in 1957. So you know, you can automatically close your eyes. You can tell the Communist party formed in the Kerala. And the next question, the state formed in 1966. State formed in 1966. It's a Haryana. So you will find it Haryana here. So 1966 the state was formed here. And the next question, the state related to the dairy cooperative movement under the name of Amul. You know that the Amul is in the Gujarat. Okay, so this is a Gujarat. So next set of question for a CBSE 12th standard, a state where a Chipko movement was carried out. This is a very important question. A state where a Chipko movement was carried out is a Uttarakhand. Okay, this is a Uttarakhand. So Uttarakhand is a Uttarakhand. So next question, a state that was carved out of the Assam in 1972. We have seen the Meghalaya. This was repeatedly asking. So this is a very important question. Don't forget out. So a state that was carved out of the Assam in 1972. It's a Meghalaya. So those who are preparing for a competitive exam, please note this question. The state that was carved out of Assam in 1972. It's a Meghalaya, which lies in here. And the next question, a northeastern state, the northeastern state that is suffering from a separatist movement. So that is suffering from the separatist movement. It's called a Nagaland. You know that Nagaland, isn't it? So you find it out in Nagaland here. It's a they feel they are out of the India, but actually they are in India, but they will feel because they are always have a it's a combined collaboration of Nepal and Myanmar. The next question, a latest state of Indian Union. I've told you this is a map which is not not means it's just a printed before the division of a Telangana. Okay, so we cannot find it out at Telangana here, but Telangana lies here. The latest state of Indian Union, still now the latest state of the Indian Union is Telangana, which was separated before 3 to 4 years back. And the next question, a state where an organization of a Dalit Panthers were formed. Dalit Panthers was formed in the Maharashtra. Okay, so next set of question. The state where the organization called the Dalit Panthers was formed in 1972, it's a Maharashtra. So already I have asked you this question, it's before itself, this is a repeated questions. Please listen the question. The state where the organization called the Dalit Panthers was formed in 1972 is Maharashtra. Next, the second question. The state where the Sardar Sarovar Dam is situated. Sardar Sarovar Dam is situated in the Gujarat. Okay. So the next question, the state from where BKU started the farmer agitation. So farmer agitation is formed in the Uttar Pradesh. So it formed in the Uttar Pradesh. So next question, the state which was given a special status under the article 370 degree. So it's having a special status 370 degree. It's a Jammu and Kashmir. The union territory which became a state in 1987. So in 1987 only the Goa was joined in as one of the state in the India. In 1987 the Goa lies here. The next set of question. The state where a woman put a ban on the sale of arak and stopped its auction. It's Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so I'm repeating the question. The state where a woman put a ban on the sale of arak and stopped its auction is Andhra Pradesh. You will find it out here. The next question. The state there was anti-Hindi agitation in 1965. We want to feel very proud because the anti-Hindi agitation in 1965 was occurred in Tamil Nadu. A very huge protection before the the lot of leaders was involved in this allegation. Okay, so next question. The state where MKSS demanded a record for famine relief and accounts of labor. It's Rajasthan. So Rajasthan is a place where they asked for their labor accounts for the women. The next question, the repeated question, the Sardar Sarovar Dam is situated in the Gujarat. Don't forget it. It's repeatedly asking the question. The next question, the state which saw a formal agitation in 1988 protesting against the government's increases the electricity rates. So it's Uttar Pradesh. These also repeated questions. So in Uttar Pradesh is a state where the farmer fighting due to the increase of the electricity charges. And the next set of question, the state which was formed in 1953 is Andhra Pradesh. In 1953, the Andhra Pradesh was now find it out. But listen carefully. In the very recent state in the Indian Union is Telangana. Okay, in 1953, the Andhra Pradesh gets separated from the Tamil Nadu. The state from which Chandigarh was crowded. So Chandigarh, from the Chandigarh, which state was crowded? Crowd means it's a Madhya Pradesh. So okay, Madhya Pradesh. Next, the northeastern state of India. The northeastern state of the India is the Arunachala Pradesh. So Arunachala Pradesh, it's a state which is it's a north state of India. Okay, next question. The state where a national conference nominated from 1950 to 1967, it's a Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, it's a Jammu and Kashmir. Next question. The state which was carved out of the Uttar Pradesh, it's a Uttarakhand. So Uttarakhand, it's a state which was carved out of the Uttar Pradesh. And the next question. Not a next question. Repeatedly asking question is a Savariyar Dam, which lies in Gujarat, and a Hindi allegation in Tamil Nadu, and the state which is carving out from the Uttar Pradesh is the Uttarakhand. So these are the repeated question asked from the India map. But rather than this, a lot of question was repeatedly asking. Please do well for your examination. Okay, so now I'm going to finish that mapping section. Now the mapping section is get finished. Next section is going to be a little more interest. I'm going to tell orally about the different kind of the map in a different countries, and how can we remind the countries map very easily. Let's see how it is.